Good afternoon, my bro and sis. Once again, welcome to my vlog. My dear bro and sis, I think so that all of you will think that how my living is like. My dear, my living is very simple. This is my personal room to where I stay. These are the curtain which is made up of pure cotton to which I have bought from Jammu city. My dear friend, here in the corners the rose flowers plant, and here the photo of Lord Krishna, and behind the photo here's TV which is unused, and here is also the fan, which is very simple fan. Here's no color. All of you will think that how my living is like. Here's nothing. I am very poor. So I request to all of my brothers, please support me by sharing my this video, and don't forget to follow my my channel. I also want to live in a happy life. What, my dear? I am a poor man. I have no money. So I request, please, please, please share, please share, please share, and support me by sharing this video, dears, and also follow the videos. I will show you all the sceneries of this area. This is my first video, and your supports will help me, and your sharing helps me. Okay, goodbye. Thank you.